back to my channel. My name is Erica. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be giving you a sweat-proof makeup routine. And when I tell you this is definitely a makeup routine that you want to stay tuned, because the summer is coming and we definitely don't want to look sweaty or oily coming up in this summer season. So if you are interested in this look, please stay tuned, and if you don't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Okay, so the first thing to a sweat-proof makeup routine, you want to get a good moisturizer, because you're going to be combating a lot of, like, you're going to be using a lot of matte products. You want to make sure your skin is moisturized. So I've already done that, but whatever is your favorite moisturizer, make sure you use it, because like I said, you're going to be using a lot of matte products. So that will be the first. The second, of course, is primer. Now, my go-to for primers would be Milk primer, and I also like Becca. So I will be using Milk primer because I have to stock up on my Becca before they go out of business. So sad. But yeah, so I'm just gonna use, this is the Milk, this is a hydrating one. It's a grip primer. I take my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown, and I fill in my brows. Now I've already done it off camera just because of the sake of time. To combat oily skin or sweat proof, I take a little bit of Sasha Buttercup, and then I just rub it in. Not rub it in, but blend it in. And when I tell you it is a game changer, it is a game changer when it comes to a sweat-proof makeup routine. I put it over my eyebrows. So that's what I like to do. So for foundation, I'm just gonna go for my go-to, my Milani foundation, which is the Conceal and Perfect Flat Foundation Brush by Real Techniques. And I'm just gonna place it on here, and then gonna go from there. Now mind you, I like to go in sections. I feel like when you go in sections, I probably said it in another video, but I'm just reiterating because it definitely changes the way your makeup looks, is when you go in sections versus just putting it like all over your face. Because sometimes with certain makeup, and that's another thing too, that's another pro tip with foundations, a lot of times you don't know how it's going to react to your skin. So like for some foundations, it'll dry up quick. Other foundations, it doesn't, and you have to like work it in your skin. So that's why I like to do it in sections, especially when it's a foundation that I'm not familiar with, like when I'm just, it's my first purchase. Also with foundation, for a sweat proof makeup, you don't want to put a lot on. You don't want to pack it in, because even though you have, a mattifying foundation, you got to be very careful for mattifying foundations, only because you don't want it to look cakey. And I've seen that over time where, you would have a mattifying foundation and you're like, oh, it's full coverage, all of that. you don't want to overdo it. Like, you don't want to do that. So I always say less is more when it comes to makeup. Do a first layer, see how it looks, see how even it goes on. If you need a second layer, then do the second layer, but try not to overdo it. So, okay, so next I like to use a damp sponge, and I just like to blend the foundation out. So I use a little bit of contour, and this is by Nikki K, just to bronze up my face. Because I do believe that your face has dimension. Like, you don't want to just have a look just with foundation. Like, no, you have to put some dimension back in your face. This is contour shapes your face. Or bronzing shapes your face, because I'm not contouring. So that's how I like to do. Now, of course, I'm gonna go back because it's another step that I need to tell you guys. So stay tuned. All right, so I had to go back. That's one thing. Sometimes when you're doing a makeup routine, it changes up. So I got to conceal my under eye. And that's all enough to where it's no indication of where it starts or where it began. Did I say where it starts or where it began? To where it starts to where it ends. That's it. That's Erica. I'll tell you one thing you gonna get to know about me and my channel. Listen, this is me. All right, so and next I'm going to blend out those lines, set that under eye. Now, let me tell you this little tip. That's another pro tip. For a sweat-proof makeup look, you can bake a little bit. I would say bake, but to each his own. But for me, my under eye has to be set. I don't want to see any creasing under my eyes. So I may bake a little bit. I'm gonna do a little nose contour, not nothing too crazy. I just put the concealer, the same concealer that I use for my under eye, and I'm just going to blend that out. That's how I do the little contour. Nothing, like I said, we're not sculpting out. We're not doing the full contour and highlight. If you want to see a video of that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is just something, you know, just to once again put some dimension back into your face. So okay, so I just put a little bit of Sacha Buttercup setting powder on my concealer, and I'll just let that sit for a second. And while I do that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder for all over powder foundation. Not foundation, but all over setting of my foundation. And I'm literally this is my first time actually purchasing this. I know it's been on the market for quite some time, but I wanted to, you know, give it a real try and see how it holds up with a sweat-proof makeup. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good. And this is in the color Truffle. So I may try next the matte foundation from Maybelline, see how it works, but I definitely like the powder. So, okay. Next, I am going to be using the CoverGirl mascara. So you guys, I have just put on some lashes just to put the look together. Next, I'm going to do a what else I'm gonna do? Oh, I know. I'm going to use the Make It Last setting spray, which is my go-to for a sweat-proof makeup look. And let that set in. And okay, next I am going to be lining my lips. And this is just a regular brown lip liner. So that's that. And then I'm going to be using the ColourPop Ultra Blot Lip in the color Cloud Chaser. And it's just a nice mauvey look, a mauvey lip. Okay guys, this is the final look. Only thing that I did, I just put the lip gloss Brilliant Shine by Milani. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for this sweat-proof makeup look. And yes, I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comments and talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.